Today, we're embarking on a dark and fascinating journey through Earth's history, exploring the most devastating events our planet has ever faced, the major mass extinctions. Are you ready to discover how life on Earth has been shaped by catastrophes of epic proportions? From asteroid impacts to colossal volcanic eruptions, we'll dive into the moments when life was nearly wiped out. Hold your breath, brace for some shocking revelations, and let's uncover together how our world was forged in fire and ice. The Devonian Carboniferous extinction, which occurred about 375 million years ago, is one of the 5 major mass extinctions documented in Earth's history. Often referred to as the Late Devonian Crisis, this event was characterized by multiple extinction episodes over a period of about 20 million years, rather than a single catastrophic event. The exact causes are still debated, but evidence suggests a combination of environmental factors, including climate changes, reduced oxygen levels in the oceans, and volcanic activity. This extinction had a profound impact on marine biodiversity. Placoderms, the dominant armored fishes in aquatic ecosystems of that time, vanished completely. In addition, many other marine organism groups suffered severely, such as trilobites, reef-building corals, and ammonoids. The latter, in particular, played a crucial role in marine ecosystems, contributing to the structure and complexity of reefs, which are essential for marine life. However, the extinction also paved the way for new forms of life. After the decline of the dominant Devonian organisms, new groups began to emerge and diversify. This was a crucial period for the development of the first amphibians and terrestrial plants, which began to colonize land environments on a large scale. This shift in terrestrial and marine ecosystems marked a significant biological revolution, defining new ecological niches and altering the course of evolution. The Triassic-Jurassic extinction, occurring about 201 million years ago, marks one of the largest biological transitions in Earth's history. This extinction event is notable for eliminating about 50% of all then existing species, drastically changing the composition of global fauna and flora. This event not only ended the Triassic period, but also set the ecological conditions that allowed the rise and eventual domination of dinosaurs during the Jurassic period. The extinction primarily affected marine and terrestrial life, including large amphibians and non-dinosaurian archosaurs. The latter were a diverse group that included creatures competing directly with dinosaurs for resources. With their extinction, the ecological niches they left empty were quickly occupied by dinosaurs, who then evolved into a variety of forms and sizes, dominating terrestrial ecosystems for over 135 million years. The causes of the Triassic-Jurassic extinction are still the subject of intense research and debate. Some theories suggest that large volcanic events, like the eruptions that created the vast igneous provinces known as the Central Atlantic Magmatic Province, could have released massive volumes of carbon dioxide and other gases into the atmosphere. This would have caused extreme climate changes, ocean acidification, and reduced oxygen levels, creating a hostile environment for many life forms. The Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction, which occurred about 66 million years ago, is one of the most studied and well-known mass extinctions in Earth's history. This event marked the end of the era of the dinosaurs, except for the modern birds considered their direct descendants. Besides non-avian dinosaurs, the extinction also led to the disappearance of pterosaurs and large marine reptiles like mosasaurs and plesiosaurs, and it had a devastating impact on ammonites and various forms of plant life. It is believed that the primary catalyst for this catastrophic event was the impact of a massive asteroid in what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The resulting crater, known as the Chicxulub crater, spans over 180 kilometers in diameter, and geological studies indicate that the impact released an immense amount of energy, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. This event likely caused global fires, massive tsunamis, and a nuclear winter that lasted months, preventing photosynthesis and causing a rapid decline in plant and phytoplankton populations. In addition to the immediate consequences of the impact, the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction was exacerbated by subsequent environmental changes. The atmosphere was saturated with toxic gases and dust particles that altered the global climate, leading to drastic cooling and changes in weather patterns and ocean currents. These additional environmental changes further exacerbated the decline of many groups that were already vulnerable, eliminating ecological niches and hindering the rapid recovery of many species. The extinction of mammoths and other members of the Pleistocene megafauna, such as saber-toothed tigers and giant sloths, marks one of the most dramatic events in Earth's recent history. This phenomenon occurred mainly between 12,000 and 10,000 years ago, during the transition from the Pleistocene to the Holocene, a period known as the Late Quaternary. This period was characterized by significant environmental changes, as the planet emerged from its last glacial era. The resulting global warming triggered a series of habitat changes, directly affecting the availability of food and the geographical distribution of many large animal species. In addition to climate change, the expansion of modern humans across the globe played a crucial role in the extinction of these species. As humans spread, their ability to modify the environment through hunting and other practices, such as burning vegetation for land clearing, had a significant impact on local fauna. Hunting, in particular, was a determining factor, as many of the large animals had no natural predators other than humans, and their relatively slow reproduction could not compensate for losses due to hunting. Among the most notable species that went extinct during this period are the mammoths, which were similar to modern elephants, but adapted to much colder climates, with thick layers of hair and fat for insulation. Another emblematic species is the Smilodon, or saber-toothed tiger, a formidable predator with long canines that enabled it to take down large prey. There were also the extinction of giant sloths, which, in some cases, reached sizes comparable to modern elephants, and the woolly rhinoceros, adapted to the cold with its thick fur and a large frontal horn. And so, we conclude our journey through the darkest and most transformative eras of Earth. I hope this trip through time has illuminated not only how our planet survived and adapted to unimaginable challenges, but also how life, in its essence, is resilient and surprisingly adaptable. If you enjoyed exploring these massive extinctions with us, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more adventures through time and space. Let us know in the comments which prehistoric event you'd like to explore in future videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, we'll continue to unravel the mysteries of our ancient world.